Hey there folks, Garrett from the Kingdom Report here, and today I've got a question for you. Raise your hand if you've ever seen a show on MTV called Cribs. Well, if you raised your hand, or even if you didn't, I'll tell you what it is. Cribs was a show that would take viewers into the homes of the world's most elite and pretty much just show you how beautiful these people lived. I don't have that kind of money and I don't want to show you my house, so I figured why can't I do Cribs but with a Disney twist. So today we're going to be doing Cribs Disney Edition with this right here. This is Bay Lake Tower. It is a part of the Disney Vacation Club here at Walt Disney World in Florida, and I've been privileged enough, well, lucky enough honestly, to go inside and check out one of their villas because my girlfriend's family is coming to visit Walt Disney World, and I got here before them, so I get to go in first and check it out. So let's get on into it. All right, it's showtime. Time to head on inside and check out what this room looks like. Step one, get the green light. Let's go in. Got some contemporary Mickey artwork on the walls. Space Mountain, but then the best thing about this place is honestly going to be the view. And this is their lakeside view, which I like, but if you look over there, boom, you've got the Tron coaster, you got Space Mountain. Not a bad view, if you ask me. may not seem like much, this villa definitely makes you feel like you're at home. That's why when you drive in, the security guard says, "Welcome home." So hope that you guys like the quick little tour, and welcome home.
To all who come to this happy place, welcome.